YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Big Joe, man, back to your child with another one, man. Finna bring y'all on this little journey with me. Finna go check out this pickup truck I'm thinking about getting, man. I think I'm finna scratch the OBS Tahoe project. Yeah, I remember that project I was doing, the interior and all that stuff. I still got it. Really just kind of lost interest in it, but to be honest, I need a pickup truck, man. I got this other Yukon, and at the time I got the Tahoe, I had this silver pickup truck. And now that I got the black Yukon, I don't want two full-size SUVs no more, man. I think that's kind of crazy to be doing it like that. So today I'm gonna bring y'all on this journey. We're gonna go check this other pickup truck out. It's an old school truck. Not really. I don't know if I'm gonna build it as a show truck, or just kind of like make it clean and then just drive it when I need to, and be able to take it to shows or whatever. But it ain't your typical show truck, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we could do with it, and try to make it one of ours. You know, just I'm a man. I need a truck. You know what I'm saying? I need a pickup truck. I don't want to be hauling stuff around in this truck. So I'm gonna bring y'all along on this journey today. With me, you know what I'm saying? Just go check it out, and then y'all can drop it off in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Should we get it, or should we just leave it alone and just sell the OBS or whatever? But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, you know what I'm saying, all the other videos, you know what I'm saying, hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and just running them numbers up, man. Them car show videos been doing some real good numbers, man. I just want to say thank y'all or whatever. And if you ain't subscribed and you're watching the video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and go check them out, man. Real good content. We got real good content coming, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna get y'all some of this riding footage going through Jackson, and we'll tap in when we get back to the other to the truck. Peace. Alright, YouTube, we done made it, man. It's a little muddy out here. Over here, look at the truck or whatever. I got on white shoes out here in the mud. Been doing a lot of raining out here lately. Let's see if I can survive in the mud. Let's check it out. It might be a little too muddy, I don't know. Let's see. We'll find some solid ground. Let's see. Y'all ready to see what she look like? Here she go. My first time seeing her, just like y'all first time seeing her. Just checking out. So far, body look a little solid. It's a long wheelbase sitting in there. Motor and transmission ain't good. It'll crank up and drive. I just want to check for rust. The hope look good. See a little bit right there.
You are now watching Big Joe's World.
I just don't want no I just don't want it too rusty, I guess. I mean, all this stuff on the inside can be replaced, you know what I'm saying? I already been looking it up. eBay, baby, eBay. So make sure everything's solid on it. You know what I'm saying? As long as the flow ain't rusted out, I guess, I mean, you can still make it work. And it looks pretty solid. I can't really get up on there and see it. I'm gonna pull the car from stuff like this. Oh, yeah. It looks solid, man. Just that little piece right there could be some more burn there. We'll have to, of course, get into it some more. The dope flow pretty good. It's muddy right there. Y'all can see I ain't gonna walk away around there. But maybe, I don't know if that's it. You close or whatever. '79 long wheel, babe. And of course, you're gonna need some work. Good thing about it, I know how to do body and paint work. They did some repairs. Like I said, it's muddy in this joint. Heavy rain through the city. It's solid out here. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think about it. For a daily. Well, it ain't even be for a daily. We just gonna have a truck. Like I said, we do all the body work and repair myself.
Watching Big Joe's World.
And yeah. Biggest thing is as long as it wasn't no rust, man. Y'all let me know. Should I get it and turn into a project / work truck? Or should I just sell the OBS? bumper like it kind of bent up a little bit, but then, like I said, we fix all that. Seems like a pretty solid truck. Y'all let me know what y'all think. $79. Should I 79 it? Bring it out. What they say? He's home.
You are now watching Big Joe's World.
Should I put some 28s on there? It's just right. We'll see. Yeah, I hit that like and subscribe button. Yeah, well, I'll let you know what we're gonna do.